welcome back to my channel and happy new week to you all. I hope everyone is doing great. Thanks for joining me once again for CVS Deals video. I appreciate all your support, and if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and let's go find some deals. The first deal I have in this video is on Crest toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrush. They're on sale for $4.99, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up one Crest toothpaste and one Oral-B toothbrush. Both will total $9.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.98, and you get 3 back, making them just $3.98, $8.99 each. The next deal I have is on 1 liter scope mouthwash. They are part of buy two get $4 back, and they are priced at $6.99. Pick up two and they will total $13.98. We have a 2 off 2 digital coupon, and the 3 off 2 Crest digital coupon is also attaching to this product. Both will double dip and take off $5, leaving you to pay just $8.98, and you get 4 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on Nivea hand and body lotion, facial care and men's shave products. Pick up 2 Nivea lotion priced at $7.29 each, and both will total $14.58. Pay that and get 7 back, making both just $7.58 or $3.79 each. My next deal is on Skintimate disposable razors. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $5 back. Pick up two priced at $9.49, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4.75. And these two will total $14.24. We have a $3 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $11.24, and you get 5 back, making them just $6.24 or $3.12 each. Gillette shave foams are on sale for buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you get $4 back. And they are priced at $3.89, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.95. These two will total $5.84. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $1.84 or 92 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Maybelline cosmetics, and this can make a good filler item if you have a 10 or 70. Pick up 2 Maybelline eyeshadows priced at $4.79 each, and both will total $9.58. Use the $3 digital coupon to drop it down to $6.58, and you get 5 back, making them just $1.58 or 79 cents each. If you like NYX makeup, we have a buy 2 get 6 back, and the cheapest way you can do this deal is to pick up 2 lip pencils priced at $5.49 each. These two will total $10.98. Pay that and get $6 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. If you still have your 4 off 2 digital coupon for Neutrogena wipes, you can do this deal, and that will be the buy 2 get $7 back on Neutrogena facial cleansing or Aveeno facial care. Pick up 2 Neutrogena makeup remover wipes priced at $7.79 each, and they will total $15.58. Use 2 4 off 2 digital coupon, and both coupons will double dip and take off $8, dropping it down to $7.58, and you get 7 back, making them just 58 cents or 29 cents each. Another Neutrogena deal you can pick up this week is the Spain 25 get $10 back. Pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Cream priced at $25.79. We have a 5 off digital coupon, and I have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena CRT. That will take off 10 and drop it down to $15.79, and you get 10 back, making it just $5.79. Iris Spring or Soft Soap Body Wash are on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and when you buy two, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 Soft Soap Body Wash priced at $6.59 each, and with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $3.95. They will total $10.54. Use the $2 digital coupon to drop it down to $8.54, and you get 5 back, making them just $3.54 or $1.77 each. If you like Iris Spring Body Wash, then you can pick up one priced at $7.49 and one Soft Soap Body Wash priced at $6.59, And that's where the 40% off will come off, dropping it down to $3.95. These two will total $11.44. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Irish Spring, and we also have a $2 digital coupon for the soft soap. That will take off $4 and drop it down to $7.44, and you get 5 back, making them just $2.44 or $1.22 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 3 back on any Axe body wash or shower gel. You can pick up 2 Axe body wash priced at $6.59 each, and they will total $13.18. Use the 7 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $6.18, and you get 3 back, making them just $3.18 or $1.59 each. This week, Nivea body wash is not giving back any extra care box, but they on sale for buy one get one free. Pick up 2 Nivea women body wash priced at $6.99, and with the buy one get one free, all you have to pay is just $6.99, making each one just $3.50. If you prefer the men's body wash, it's priced at $5.99 and is included in the buy one get one free. Pay $5.99 for both, and that will make each one just $3. The next body wash deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on the Old Spice. They're on sale for $6.99. Pick up 3 for a total of $20.97. Use 6 off 3 Old Spice digital coupon to drop it down to $14.97 for all 3 or $4.99 each. Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioners are priced at 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to 5, and you get 3 back, making them just $2 or $1 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on any Clairol hair color. Pick up 2 Clairol textures and tones priced at $8.49 each. Both will total $16.98. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $10.98, and you get 4 back, making them just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The 10.4 to 12.6 ounce Pantene shampoo or conditioners are on sale for $5, and when you spend $25, you get $5 back. Pick up 5 for a total of $25. Use a 5 off 3 digital coupon to drop it down to $20, and you get $5 back, making all 5 just $15 or $3 each. My next deal is on OGX Hair Care. They're on sale for buy one get one 40% off, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Get 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $9.29 each, and with the buy one get one 40% off, the second one will be $5.57. These two will total $14.86. Use the 6 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $8.86, and you get 4 back, and that will make these two just $4.86 or $2.43 each. My next deal is buy 2 get $4 back on Monday hair care or body wash, and they are on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off. Pick up 2 Monday leave-in conditioners priced at $6.29 each, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.15. These two will total $9.44. We only have a $1 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.44, and you get 4 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for 60 cakes, which is just 24 cents. That will end up making them just $4.20 or $2.10 each. The next hair care deal I have in this video is spend 20 get 10 back on any Tresemme. Pick up 2 28-ounce Tresemme shampoo or conditioner priced at $7.99 each, and 1 16.5-ounce Tresemme shampoo or conditioner priced at $6.29. These 3 will total $22.27. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $17.27, and you get 10 back, making them just $7.27 or $2.42 each. My next deal is not giving back any extra care box, and that's on General Mills cereal. They're on sale for $1.99. Pick up 2, and they will total $3.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.98. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each box. That means you get $1 back from Ibotta, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2 get $2 back on any Halls cough drops, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 50% off. Pick up 2, and they're priced at $3.59, And with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $1.80. These two will total $5.39. Pay that and get $2 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each pack. That means you get back $2 from Ibotta, making them just $1.39 or 70 cents each. Little Creators vitamins are on sale for buy one get one 50% off, but no extra care box bag. And we have a 10 off 2 digital coupon that will make this a very good deal. Pick up 2, priced at $9.59, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $4.80. Both will total $14.39. Use the 10 off 2 digital coupon and pay just $4.39 for both, making each one just $2.20. My next deal is on family size Oreo cookies. They're on sale for $2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2, pay $9 and get $2 back, making them just $7 or $3.50 each. And if you want to pick up the Chips Ahoy, they are part of this deal too. If you need diapers, Huggies bag diapers are on sale for 2 for $21, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2. We have a $1.50 digital coupon that will drop it down to $19.50, and you get 5 bags. Submit your receipt to Shopkick for 600 cakes on each bag, which is $2.40. Because you're buying 2 bags, you get back 1,200 cakes, which is also $4.80. After the extra care box and the Shopkick rebate, these two will end up costing just $9.70 or $4.85 each. Another Huggies deal I have will be on the wipes. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. Pick up 2 of the ones priced at $4.59, that's the 64 counts. And with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.30. These two will total $6.89. We have 25 cents digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.64, and you get $2 back. Then submit your receipt to Shopkick for 350 kicks back on each pack, and that's $1.40. And that means you will get back 700 kicks from Shopkick, which is $2.80. And that will end up making these 2 packs just $1.84 or 92 cents each. Still I have is buy 2 get 5 back on any Poise adult care. Pick up 2 Poise pads priced at $7.59 each, and these 2 will total $15.18. We have a $2 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $13.18, and you get 5 back, making them just $8.18 or $4.09 each. The next deal I have is spend 20 get 5 back, and there are a few ways you can do this deal depending on what you need. Pick up 1 Scott bar tissue on sale for $9.99 and 1 Scott paper towel on sale for $9.99. These two will total $19.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Just make sure your store follows the 98% rule. That way you'll get your extra care box back without spending more. Pay $19.98 and get 5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on each, 1 for the bar tissue and 1 for the paper towel. That will end up making them just $12.98 or $6.49 each. Another way you can do this deal is to pick up 1 12-roll bar tissue on sale for $9.99 and 6 Kleenex tissues on sale for 3 for $5. These 7 items will total $19.99. Pay that and get $5 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1 back on the Scott, making them just $13.99 or $2 each. The last option I have for this deal is to pick up 12 Kleenex boxes on sale for 3 for $5. All 12 items will total $20. Pay the $20 and get $5 back, making them just $15 or $1.25 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back, and the first item you can pick up for this deal will be the Tide detergent on sale for $12.99, 2 Tide pods on sale for $5.49 each, and 1 bounce dryer sheet on sale for $6.99. These 4 items will total $30.96. Use $3 off Tide coupon. You can find one in the app, or you can go to Coupons 24 app and use the one there. Use 2 $1.50 Tide coupon, 1 from the app and 1 from Coupons 24 app, and a $1.50 off bounce coupon from Coupons 24 app. That will take off $7.50 and drop it down to $23.46, and you get 10 back, making them just $13.46 or $3.37 each. Palmolive and Ajax dish liquid are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two you get $3 back. Pick up one Palmolive and one Ajax, and with the buy one get one half off, the cheaper priced one will be the half off, and that will be the Ajax, because Palmolive is priced at $4.99 and Ajax is priced at $4.19, and the new price will be $2.10. These two would total $7.09. We have $1 for the Palmolive, and we also have $1 for the Ajax. Both coupons, you can find them in our app. They will take off $2 and drop it down to $5.09, and you get 3 back, making them just $2.09 or $1.05 each. The easiest freebie you can pick up this week will be the Airwick Advanced Plug-in Scented Oil Warmer. It's on sale for $4, and we also have a $4 digital coupon. And this item is part of the spend 15 get $3 bag. To do this deal, pick up one plug-in warmer on sale for $4 and one Airwick starter kit on sale for $11.99. These two will total $15.99. Use the $4 digital coupon for the Airwick warmer and a $6 off digital coupon for the Airwick starter kit. That will take off $10 and drop it down to $5.99, and you get $3 back, making them just $2.99 or $1.50 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.